then guys, I've come out on this stormy day to answer this question. Can you ride Enduro on a 125? There's a few factors you have to take into consideration. Tyres being one of the main ones. Suspension, you need something with good travel. Ground clearance also being important for a lot of Enduro green lanes you might encounter. Other than that, yeah, you just need to practice. Right, some of you may well be thinking, well, riding around a field is one thing, but can it go in the woods? The same techniques apply to any size bike. The main thing to be worried about in wet woods is diagonal roots, branches, anything slippy like that. Like here, you want to go straight over, because if you hit it at a diagonal, your front will wash out instantly. Also try and de-weight the front if you do have to hit anything at a diagonal. But as long as you practice, learn how to control the bike on different surfaces. The biggest thing with smaller engine bikes is clutch control. You basically stop riding with your throttle and you ride with the clutch. So for example here, you hear the way it was revving, my clutch going in to bring the revs back up and then out to release the power. So if you're going up something and your bike starts to decline, pull the clutch in, throttle wide open, and just ride the clutch. Exact same technique to handle mud. By keeping those revs up, the tyre just keeps on churning. So in conclusion, you can ride Enduro on a 125, you can green lane with it. Largely comes down to practice and tyre choice. Speaking of tyres, I have just punctured mine, unfortunately. If you want to see more Enduro riding on this channel, like and subscribe. So I plan to bring a lot more of it. I'll see you all in the next one.